You know me, guys, I just like love a good DIY. What's up, guys? It's Didi here and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to be doing a fashion DIY. It's post-lockdown and I figured people are starting to go out and about and it's time to, look good and slay. And I figured, why not do a fashion DIY? We're going to be doing a DIY Chanel handbag. And guys, I'm just tired of doing so much of Gucci DIYs that I felt, Chanel might be missing out and I don't want Chanel to miss out, like, excuse me. So I figured, I've given it enough airtime to Gucci and it's time to let the inner Chanel come out. Now, I saw this handbag online. I'm just going to put it here so you see the handbag. It's beautiful. I like it because it's yellow and yellow is currently my favorite color, and I just felt it'd be good to do something really colorful. So I'm going to be doing this DIY and guys, oh my god, you'd love it. So without further ado, let's get this DIY started. Okay, so for this DIY you're going to need a bag and some other shenanigans which I'm going to show you later in this DIY. So we've got a bag, and this bag is an old bag from a charity shop. To be honest, it's not that old and it only cost £4, and that is a great bargain for the condition I met it in. And we've also got some leather paint and of course some glue and embellishment, but I didn't show the glue and embellishment here, but I guess you see it at some point in this video. So what you want to do is take your bag and your paint to an area of the house, preferably take it outside. But if your outside is not good enough, you need to take it to a space where you've got enough light, and also you want where you won't stain the furniture and stuff like that. So next you want to lay some newspapers or some sheets to cover your workspace before you start painting, because guys, you're going to be needing a lot of paint and you don't want to like destroy your whole house with paint. So before you start, I would suggest you use acetone to clean the leather bag, and that's because you want to clean any impurities or dirt on the bag. But today we're going to go straight ahead and just paint because I've run out of acetone, so it is what it is. So next, what you want to do is start painting section by section until you cover the whole entire bag. And it's quite difficult really to turn this bag over and paint everything in one go. And so what I did was to let it dry first before I could carry on and paint the opposite side, so, which is quite frustrating, guys, because I thought I could finish this whole DIY in one day, but I couldn't. I think it took about 3 days on the whole, which I can't even, like, it was so frustrating. Well, I guess I live to craft another day, hey. So guys, this is day 2, and what you're seeing on this bag is like several layers of paint. And I just realized, guys, that it's so difficult to paint over black. I literally have done this like 5 to 7 times and the black is still visible. I ran out of my leather paint and I decided to use just an ordinary acrylic paint. But the yellow of the acrylic paint is darker than the yellow I originally started with, which I think is a blessing because I was really getting so really scared of the yellow I used at first. It was like canary yellow. It was quite bright and I wasn't loving it. So it was like a blessing in disguise. When I had finished painting the entire bag, I left it to dry for about 5 to 6 hours. And then I went ahead and did the strap, which, guys, was a lot easier because by then I've actually sorted out the color and it was just easy to paint and let it dry. Anywhoosie, when I finished painting, I used my acrylic finisher all over the painted area. And this is just to give it a nice shine and also to protect the paint. Okay, now it's time to bedazzle this. Oops, I almost spilled the jewels. Clumsy me. Oh my god. But anyways, guys, for this design, you'll be needing some glue and some jewels of your choice. So I'm going to be sticking the jewels in the ridge here. I don't know what you call it, space, ridge, whatever. I'm going to be sticking that there. So using my E6000 glue and my Q-tip, I'm just going to apply the glue on the spot where the jewels will go. I couldn't find my sticky pen to use for picking up the jewels, so I'm going to use my hands in place. If you're doing this, it's easier to use the right tool. But right now, we're just going to improvise because this is for entertainment purpose. So I'm not like, doing this for a PhD degree or anything. So yeah. Next, I'm going to place this Chanel logo thing, which I got from eBay a while ago. I think I got it for like £1.99. And I'm going to just put that just right here. So I've just created that space. So I'm going to put that there. I'll make sure I center it so that it's not wonky or one-sided. So I went ahead and added some glue and placed it right here, and bada boom, wow, it's starting to look a whole lot like Chanel already. So now I'm going to finish gluing my jewels all over the bag, and again I'm going to leave it to dry. Okay, I know it looks unfinished, but give me a few seconds. Let me just tidy it up for your viewing pleasure. Are you guys ready for the grand finale? Drum roll please. So guys, this is the before, and look at that, it's looking all old and tired. And now look at that. Oh my goodness, shut the front door. What is this? Chanel who? This is freaking awesome. This whole bag is a vibe. Like, I can see myself in a royal palace breaking bread with the queen in this gorgeous Chanel bag. And to think it only cost £7? Overall, I'll say we did a great job. P.S. Chanel, if you ever see this video, don't be a hater. Just contact me. Let's do a collab together. So that's all I've got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. And guys, I'm going to be doing more fashion DIYs now because I'm just feeling the fashion vibe. And now that we're out of the house, like the fashion beast in me has just come out. And I'm just going to let it roam and just, you know, do its thing. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Shut the door and out. Like